How well can you speak Moroccan Arabic? How do you say dog?
كلب.
How do you say cat?
قط.
How do you say bird?
طوير.
Like the video if you got the first three right. How do you say fish?
حوت.
How do you say tree?
شجرة.
Who speaks Moroccan Arabic better? You or the first person who pops up when you click share and more? How do you say flower?
وردة.
How do you say animal?
حيوان.
Be sure to save this video to practice later. How do you say forest?
غابة.
How do you say mountain?
جبل.
Prove you can speak Moroccan by commenting your score and follow me to learn every day. How do you say I like nature?
كنبغي الطبيعة.